The Retroid Pocket 6 handheld honestly feels like one of those devices that surprises you in a really good way once you start using it. On paper, the specs already look strong, but in real life, it actually delivers that smooth, powerful experience you expect. Games run fast, emulation feels stable, and you don't constantly deal with annoying lag or performance drops like you might on cheaper handhelds. The screen is a big highlight too. It's bright, colorful, and super smooth, which makes even old retro games feel fresh and enjoyable. It's the kind of display that makes you want to keep playing just a little longer. What makes it even better is how flexible it is. You're not limited to just retro gaming. You can play Android games, stream from the cloud, or even connect it to a bigger screen and use it like a mini console. It's also comfortable to hold for long sessions, and while the controls might feel slightly different at first, you quickly get used to them. After a while, it just feels natural in your hands. So, is it worth it? If you really enjoy gaming and want something powerful that can do a bit of everything, then yes, it's definitely worth it. It feels like a premium experience without going into super expensive territory. But if you just want something simple to casually play a few old games, it might feel a bit too advanced. Overall, though, for someone who wants performance, quality, and versatility in one device, the Retroid Pocket 6 is a really solid choice that doesn't disappoint.